Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to teach you a new operator in regular expressions in JavaScript. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So we have this code and we have this expression. And suppose that we want to get a word in this from this string. We would simply just here replace this a with the word that we want. Let's say that we want to get this, to get all this in from this string. If I save and run, I'm gonna get, as you can see, I'm gonna get this 2 times because this occurred in this string 2 times. Here, this is Most, and this is my channel. So we have 2 this in this string. But the problem with this method is that if this occurred in a middle of a word, so for example, suppose here that we have another word here, this and then something like that. As you can see, this is, of course, this is not a meaningful word, just a dummy word. And inside this word, in the middle, we have this. If I save and run, I am going to get 3 times of this, even though this here is not a word. This here is just a sequence of letters that happened inside another word, which means that this here is not a word by itself. It's just a sequence of letters inside another word. In order to solve this problem, you would use the boundary operator in regular expressions, which is just backslash and then b, and then at the end backslash and then b. Now if I save and run, as you can see, I'm gonna get only 2 times this, because now it's not going to consider this in the middle of another word as a separate this. Why? Because b here, backslash b here, means that only get this when it's surrounded by a word boundary, when there is nothing before it and nothing after it, meaning that it's a separate word. So the boundary operator is so powerful when it comes to getting a specific word from a string or words from a string. And this is, by the way, a trick in JavaScript interviews. They will ask you to get a specific word from a string, and if you don't know the boundary operator, you would just type this and you wouldn't solve the question correctly. So you need to know about the B operator or the boundary operator, which is going to get only words, not just a sequence of letters inside a string. So be careful and practice a lot and use this boundary operator, and I highly recommend just testing with many letters and many words so that you master this boundary operator. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.